Story 2, The Office Meeting, Surprise. Welcome to Talk Through Tales, your friendly English learning channel. In today's story, The Office Meeting Surprise, we'll enjoy an interesting and funny office story where communication, teamwork, and a little humor teach us 10 useful English idioms that you can use in your daily conversations. Story 2, The Office Meeting Surprise. Yesterday, we had a big meeting at the office. Everyone was nervous because our boss rarely smiles. At first, no one wanted to start the conversation, but luckily Ria broke the ice with a funny story about her cat. Everyone laughed and the tension was gone. Then the boss said, "All right, let's get serious now." But instead of coming to the point, he started to beat around the bush, talking about weather and traffic. Finally, I said, "Sir, please tell us what's going on." He smiled and said, "Okay, I'll spill the beans. We're launching a new project next month." Everyone was surprised and excited. Ria immediately said, "We must get the word out about this on social media." But before she could finish, Sam put his foot in his mouth by saying, "Will it even be successful this time?" The boss gave him a cold look, and Sam quickly bit his tongue. After that, the boss asked us to speak our minds and share honest ideas. I wanted to say something bold, but I decided to hold my tongue until the right moment. Then Rahul, who always talks the talk, started giving big ideas as if he was an expert. He went on, and I couldn't even get a word in edgewise. Finally, the meeting ended well. We all learned something important: when to talk, when to listen, and when to keep secrets. 1. Beat around the bush. Avoid talking about the main point. Example 1. Stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. Example 2. He kept beating around the bush instead of answering directly. 2. Spill the beans, reveal a secret. Example 1. She accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Example 2. Don't spill the beans before everyone arrives. 3. Get the word out. Spread information or news. Example 1. We need to get the word out about our new project. Example 2. The company got the word out about the sale on social media. 4. Bite your tongue. Stop yourself from saying something. Example 1. I wanted to complain, but I bit my tongue and stayed quiet. Example 2. He bit his tongue to avoid arguing with his friend. 5. Speak your mind. Express your opinion honestly. Example 1. You should always speak your mind during meetings. Example 2. She spoke her mind about the unfair rules. 6. Hold your tongue. Stay silent even when you want to speak. Example 1. I had to hold my tongue when my boss was angry. Example 2. He held his tongue instead of saying something rude. 7. Put your foot in your mouth. Say something embarrassing or inappropriate. Example 1. I put my foot in my mouth when I mentioned her ex. Example 2. He put his foot in his mouth by joking about her age. 8. Talk the talk. Speak confidently about something, often without action. Example 1. He can talk the talk, but he never finishes his work. Example 2. She talks the talk about fitness, but never exercises. 9. Break the ice. Start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Example 1. His funny story helped break the ice at the party. Example 2. I told a joke to break the ice during my first class. 10. Get a word in edgewise. Find a chance to speak in a busy conversation. Example 1. She talks so much that no one can get a word in edgewise. Example 2. I tried to get a word in edgewise, but they wouldn't stop talking. At Talk Through Tales, our goal is to help you learn English through meaningful stories that teach both language and life lessons. Remember, every idiom you learn adds power to your speech and helps you express your thoughts more clearly. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep improving your English. One story at a time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Talk Through Tales for more story-based English lessons every week.